If you have a 4x4 truck or SUV, today I'm going to show you how to change your transfer case fluid. I'm doing this on my 2004 Pathfinder, but you can easily do this at home with any high clearance vehicle. Things you will need: a 1/2-inch ratchet and a 1/2-inch breaker bar, a gear oil pump, an oil pan to catch the old fluid, 3 quarts of transmission fluid, pipe thread compound or Teflon tape, a clear plastic cup to check the old fluid, gloves, and lots of shop towels. It's also a good idea to lay some cardboard down in case you make a mess. Make sure you're parked on a level surface and remove the fill plug first. If you can't remove it, then if you remove the drain plug, you can't refill it, so don't do that. If you have a transfer case skid plate, it's probably a good idea to remove that first just to keep things clean, but I didn't do that because I'm lazy. Now go ahead and put your oil catch pan under the transfer case and, using your breaker bar, remove the drain plug and let all the fluid drain out. Go ahead and inspect the drain plug magnet and clean it off and set it aside for now. After all the fluid's drained, wipe the area to keep it clean. Then go ahead and put some pipe thread compound or Teflon tape on the threads of the plug. Wipe the excess off the magnet and reinsert it. Then tighten it down with your ratchet and finish it off with your breaker bar. Then get your gear oil pump and screw it onto the first quart of your trans fluid. Insert the hose into the top fill hole and pump it all in. If you're doing this on a different vehicle, check your manual first, but my Pathfinder holds about 2.3 quarts, so I had to do this 3 times. And refilled the quart each time from a gallon container, but it's easier if you just buy 3 separate quarts. I actually did this at the same time as a tranny flush, so I wanted to save some money by buying gallons instead of a bunch of quarts, but you can do this however you want. Once you see the fluid starting to leak from the hole, you know it's full. Go ahead and remove the pump, put the cap back on the quart container, and wipe the area down once more. And just like before, put some pipe thread compound on the plug, reinsert it, and tighten it down just like you did the drain plug. Finishing it off with that breaker bar. Now just wipe the area clean and you're done. You can also recycle your old fluid at your local AutoZone for free. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Have a good one.